Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And today is time for another Triple Play Saturday. And these watch faces are definitely going to be hitting hard. You don't want to miss not one round. So with that being said, let's kick off Triple Play Saturday, round one. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today is Triple Play Saturday. We're going to kick it off with round one. And Matteo is going to start it off for us, right? And as you can see, he is at it again. This guy gets down on these watch faces. I don't know how he does it, but I like what he brings to the table. Also, there's going to be a giveaway with this particular round. And it's going to be in between 3 to 5 people. I haven't made up my mind, but make sure you comment so you'll be eligible to win. Cool? The name of the watch face is called MD107 Premium, and true to the letter, it is a premium watch face. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get the full look as you would when the watch face is on. It's just going to be in a black theme type of mode in the AOD, but it looks absolutely awesome. Now, when the watch face is on, at the top, you're going to get the name of the watch face. You come down, you're going to get info on floors climbed, calories burned, miles walked or ran, and your steps. And as you can see, I have not been anywhere, but you come down, you're going to get the day of the week. It's written out in numbers instead of days. And you come down some more. I like the layout of where the digital time is. It's very legible. You're going to get the day, the month, and your date. But if you look over to your left, you're going to get info on your battery status, your heart rate, which is very colorful, lets you know whether you're in the green, the yellow, or the red. I like that. Now, that's different for a watch face that I've seen thus far. And you're also going to get info on your goal completed so far as your steps. So truly, this is an awesome look. Now, if you come down and you look around the bezel of the watch, he gives you everything that's essential so far as shortcuts are concerned. I would use all of these except for S Voice. Now, you're able to check your weather, play your music. You also can make a phone call, and you can send text messages, and it is interactive. It does work. I'm thinking this is a real good look that Matteo has brought to the table. And if I double tap right there, I can customize the color of the watch face. And you have several in all. Just keep double tapping till you get to the one you like. Let it land, and you're good to go for the day. I'm telling you all, Matteo definitely did his thing with this watch face. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next round.